How to turn off friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Now after updating Facebook, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, tap on how people find and contact you. Now tap on who can send you friend request. Now select friends of friends. Now click on save. Now once you do this will block completely strangers people from sending you friend request. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.